Hi, Dr. Stress. I'm Pierre Rooney, Director of Rehab. We have therapists who are certified in lymphedema, McKenzie certified, and those who treat vestibular disorders. I also treat patients. I am board certified and have a manual therapy certification. Our OTs specialize in upper extremity disorders and make custom splints. We have speech and cardiac rehab as well. We have 2 locations. We have a SwimX pool. We have free van transportation. Our patients are happy with almost 100% satisfaction over a 12-month period. Our billing rates high with patients as well. We take all insurance, including no insurance. Therapy is always one-to-one. We see patients day or night. We love seeing acute cases. We prioritize those. But we also love a challenge, so send me your tough, chronic cases too. I want to know exactly what your needs are and how I can better meet them. Let's meet outside this elevator sometime. I can be reached by email. Oh, you don't use that? Well, the phone works well too. Here's my card. Welcome to the middle of nowhere. I think you'll like it here.